Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the basics of using Figma. Whether you're completely new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to get around Figma's workspace confidently, and you'll be ready to start your own designs or collaborate with teammates in no time. Let's dive right in. When you first log into Figma, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your control center. It's where all your files, templates, and team spaces are organized. Over on the left side, you'll notice several key sections. Recents, where you'll see files you've opened lately. Templates and tools, which is super handy if you want to kickstart a design with a ready-made layout or explore Figma's built-in resources. And below that, your teams, where any group projects or collaborations are housed. Don't worry if your dashboard looks a little empty now. This will fill up as you create and join more projects. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll see options like Create, Share, and Settings. These let you start a new file, invite others to work with you, or tweak your workspace preferences. To get started, go ahead and click the Create button. This is where the magic happens. Figma will immediately spin up a fresh, untitled design page for you. It'll probably just say Untitled for now, and that's perfectly normal. Think of it as your brand new canvas. Just double-click that new file to open it up. Now you'll see the full Figma interface. Take a moment to look around. On the top left, there's the little Figma icon. Clicking this opens up important settings and lets you access options for your file. It's a bit like the hub of your project, where you can rename your file, make duplicates, or manage file-specific settings. This part might seem simple, but it's helpful later on when you're organizing a lot of design files. Directly below on the left-hand side, you'll spot three main panels. File, which is where your design layers and frames show up. Assets, where any reusable components, icons, or images are kept, and Pages. If you think of your project like a book, each page can hold a different design or flow. File and asset organization might not sound exciting now, but trust me, keeping things tidy saves you tons of time, especially in big projects. Shifting your attention to the right, this is where you control the details of your design. At the top of the panel, you'll see a Design tab, which is home base for most of your styling. Below that there, Page, Variables, Style, and Export. Here, where you'll adjust things like fonts, colors, sizes, and layouts. Variables and style might seem advanced at first, but picture them as shortcuts to keep all your designs consistent, super helpful for branding or when working as a team. And when you're ready to show your work to the world, Export lets you save out images or assets in one click. Now, if you look at the top center, there's a Prototype tab. This is where Figma gets really powerful. Think of it as turning your static designs into clickable, interactive flows. By drawing connections between frames, you can simulate how users will move through your app or website. And don't worry if prototyping feels new. Figma has lots of intuitive tools to make it approachable. Finally, when you're ready to share your creation with others, check out the Share, Present, and Preview buttons. Sharing is as easy as sending a link, and you can invite teammates to view, comment, or edit. Present and Preview modes let you see your design in action, whether you're pitching to a client or just checking your own flow. And that's a quick tour of how to use Figma. I hope this helped you get comfortable with the workspace and inspired you to start your own projects. If you have any questions or want more tutorials about specific Figma features, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.